Yes, Friday. Must be Friday. Because it's time to get a video out. Hey, let's do it again. Seaside Heights, here we are. Fun times begin now. They're all right over your head. Another exciting adventure of Seagull Friday. Doesn't have the same ring to it. And that concludes another super exciting adventure of Seagull Friday.
Seagull Friday.
Just doesn't have the same ring to it, does it?
No.
Well, we'll work around it. So anyway, beautiful day here, Seaside Heights, 65 degrees, sun shining in, and of course we avoided that Hurricane Michael, hit down there in Florida, but not us, so we're lucked out anyway. Not to people in Florida, not so much. Anyway, not too much going on this weekend, I don't think, or nothing going on this weekend. Rides are closed for the season. New boards got laid down.
I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
And of course, just a little ride down the boardwalk. Nobody here today on a Friday. Still not used to the quiet. I miss summer. So anyway, 19 years ago, I bought my condo here at Ocean Terrace Condominiums. And so this was my 20th summer that I spent here. And just a little fun fact I thought I'd give you. And I've been in my new house for 1 year now, so a little over 1 year. So little anniversaries. Actually, February is when I bought the condo here 20 years ago. So it'll be 20 years this February. Anyway, that's it. What am I talking about anyway? I don't know. That's it. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you real soon.